Hi, Assalamualaikum. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Okay.
Today I want to unboxing my friend bag.
Yes. Who's
From
giving you?
Shasha.
From Shasha.
Shaura Shasha.
Okay, show the audience. Wow, Sanrio. Okay, let's go. We open it.
Okay. Keluarkan satu-satu. Tolong buka. Tolong.
Okay, buka. Wait. So Abi, what you get? Wow, you got the?
I will got a legendary.
Oh, okay.
Side bag. Ni.
Which one you want to open it first? This one. Okay, open it.
Okay. Lang.
Wow, you got that?
P for Puteri. T for Tiara.
T for Tiara.
F crab. Unicorn.
And the bead. Some bead.
Some bead.
Okay.
Some bead tu apa?
Bead. Ulat-ulat tu bead lah nama dia.
Oh.
And then?
This one.
Okay.
And buying bag ni. Susah nak potong.
Susah nak potong ni. What's inside? Just guess it.
Kurami.
Wow, tak?
Wow,
look at that is the Kurami. Kurami drawing. Yes, dude, nice.
This is a special one.
Special one? Are you serious?
Yes. Yes.
What's that?
Kurami.
Whoa, Kurami. Blind bag. The fluffy Kurami. Squishy Kurami.
Kejap.
Show me. Show Abi. Show Abi tengok. Show Abi.
Hah?
Show Abi. Tunjuk. Wow, your Kurami. Okay. So, please do something for your friend.
Thank you, Shasha, for subscribe.
Okay, and then, hi guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Putri Cararatna Wonderland. Okay, see you in another video.
Bye, Shasha.
Bye bye.
Bye, Shasha. Shasha. Abi.
Okay. Adik, love.